Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making keema cutlets but with a twist. We will be using sweet potatoes for the filling. Keema cutlets are one of the perfect evening snacks and tastes best when hot and spicy. The one which I am going to make today is a little healthier version where we will replace potatoes with sweet potatoes, and instead of deep frying, we will shallow fry on a tawa. Let's begin cooking. First we need to chop onions finely. Followed by some ginger. And few cloves of garlic. These are the basic masalas that we will be using. So we have cumin seeds, haldi, red chilli powder, dhaniya powder and garam masala. We will prepare the keema first. So I am heating some oil here. To the oil I am adding ginger and garlic. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll saute it for a minute. Adding onions. I'm adding a little bit of sugar to caramelize the onions. Now I'm added the minced chicken. We'll add the masala mix. Salt. We have to keep stirring it to cook the keema properly. So last minute I decided to add bhaji masala and amchur powder, but this is optional. Now our keema is almost ready. We will plate it to cool it off. Now coming to the sweet potatoes, we need to finely mash the potatoes, adding salt, red chilli powder and dhaniya powder for the seasoning, adding green and red chillies chopped, coriander leaves chopped, and some lime juice. So for the final step, we have to get all of these together, and to bind the potato mash and the keema, I am using rice flour. You can use corn flour also, but I decided to use rice flour. Now we will mash all these together. Initially I am using 4 teaspoons of rice flour, but later I realized that I needed some more, so I added 2 more teaspoons of rice flour. So this is how the dough will look finally. You can take small portions and give them the shape of cutlets. Heating some oil. Place the cutlets on the tawa. Almost after 7 to 8 minutes, you will find that one side of the cutlets are done. So you flip it over and keep it for another 7 to 8 minutes. And your keema cutlets are ready. Try these cutlets at home and let me know how it turned out for you. Also, you can make this in large quantity and easily refrigerate for 2 to 3 days. For more such recipes, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I'll see you next time. Bye!